Hi everyone, good evening. Welcome to my channel Belagali's class. Belagali's class. Yes, my friends, in the previous video, two videos you can say, I have completed logarithmic differentiation as well as parametric differentiation, that is differentiation of parametric functions. The varieties of examples I have done in the previous video. The next part of this differentiation is successive differentiation, my friends. Next is successive differentiation. In this, we do some examples. These examples are important under 5-mark question. 5-mark question with our Karnataka State Model Question Paper. These examples are there in Part D. Part D of the question paper. You have one example under 5-mark question. Yes, my friends. Now we will see what we mean by successive differentiation, then how to find them, the varieties of examples in this successive differentiation. Yes, my friends. Just see. Let y equal to fx be a function of x. Let y equal to fx be a function of x. Then we know the method of finding the derivative. See here. Let y equal to x2 plus 3x square minus 6x plus 6. This is the function of x. Function of x. Differentiate with respect to x. What is this dy by dx? Derivative of y with respect to x. Differentiate x to the power n into x to the power n minus 1, 3x square, kx, 3 into 2 is 6x, 1 powerless, minus 6x, derivative is minus 6, pi tell. Derivative of kx is k, 6x is 6 plus minus, so to put it. Last is plus 6 being a constant, its derivative is 0, not written there. From this, my friends, what is your observation? Your observation is, again, by differentiating a function of x, its derivative itself, looking at the RHS, its derivative itself is a function of x, my friends. Then what we know? We can differentiate any function of x. Yes, as dy by dx being a function of x, we can differentiate dy by dx. Yes, my friends. Differentiating this, you get the next. That part I've explained here. See here. Let y equal to fx be a function of x. Then its derivative. What is the derivative of y with respect to x? Derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx. This dy by dx is called derivative of first derivative, my friends. It is called first derivative of y with respect to x. Otherwise, another name is derivative of first order. It is in terms of order, my friends. Or it is first order. Therefore, once again, if dy by dx is again a function of x, I explained there, again a function of x, then it can be differentiated with respect to x. Differentiated with respect to x. And the derivative of dy by dx with respect to x is called name second derivative of y with respect to x, and is denoted, yes my friend, denoted by d2y by dx2. It is a symbol denoted by d2y by dx2. Then what is its name? It is a second derivative of y with respect to x. Otherwise, another name is, it is a derivative of order 2, derivative of second order. All these are the names for it. Yes, my friend. Therefore, if you differentiate, derivative of first derivative with respect to x is second derivative, this is the symbol, is the second derivative of y with respect to x. Therefore, if you differentiate first derivative with respect to x, then we get second derivative with the symbol d2y by dx2. See, this denotes first, then this denotes second. If you differentiate first, what is the symbol? Instead of 1 here, you have to write 2, d2y by dx2. So if you differentiate second derivative, similarly, if you differentiate second derivative with respect to x, then we get what? Third derivative of y with respect to x. What is the symbol? This 2, we are writing the next number. 2, next number is what? 3. It is d3y by dx3. This is called as third derivative of y with respect to x. Otherwise, it is called as derivative of order 3. It is called as derivative of order 3. Derivative of order 3. Yes, ma'am. This process continues. Again, if third derivative d3y by dx3 is again a function of x, it can be differentiated. The derivative of third derivative is known as fourth derivative. Fourth derivative of y with respect to x. You know now how to write fourth derivative. Next is what? 4. d4y by dx4. d4y by dx4. See here, my friends. This is the function taken, differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of y, it is a symbol, dy by dx. All these we know the formula, x to the power 3. What is its derivative? 3x square. Next product, 6, 1 power less, x. Minus 6x is minus 6 because kx is k. Constant being 0, not written. What about again? First derivative is a function of x. It can be differentiated. Differentiate with respect to x. It is 1 here, my friends. First derivative. If you differentiate first step, you get what? Second. Replace that 1 by 2. 1 by 2. d2y by dx2 is again what, my friend? Derivative of 3x square. 3 into 2. 6x plus 6. What about this RHS? Again a function of x. It is differentiated. Derivative of second derivative. What I said? Next derivative. After second, what is next? Third. d3y by dx3. It is what? Third derivative of y with respect to x. Otherwise, derivative of order 3. What is it? Differentiating this, my friend. 6x is 6. Is 6. Being constant. This is 0. Again, you know the derivative of what? Constant is 0. Further, if you differentiate again, what is it? It is d4y by dx4 is 0. Derivative of constant is 0. See, my friends, the wonder said, y, first derivative, dy by dx. My friend, this is y, then this is y, function, this is first derivative. What is next? This is second derivative. What is next? It is third derivative. What next? It is fourth derivative. Yes, my friend, it is continued. In general, I have written here, my friend. In general, dny by dxn is known as what? It is the nth derivative of y with respect to x. It is nth derivative of y with respect to x. Otherwise, it is a derivative of order n. Derivative of order n. Thus, my friends, if y equal to fx is a function of x, y equal to fx is a function of x, then the derivatives dy by dx, d2y by dx2, d3y by dx3, dash dash dash, dny by dxn. All these are known as the successive derivatives. Why, my friend, successive? You know, even in the family. First son, next is what? Second son, next is what? The third daughter, like that. 1, 2, 3. Here also, when y is a function of x, it is first derivative, second derivative, third derivative, fourth derivative, like that it is. Nth derivative. They have come with a succession, one after the other, one after the other. Therefore, these derivatives, this series, this set, these derivatives are known as successive derivatives of what? Y with respect to x. The method of finding the successive derivatives, that method, process, system, that process is known as successive differentiation. Is known as successive differentiation. And this is, my friends, successive derivatives, successive differentiation. My friends, in one line, if y equal to fx is a function of x, if y equal to fx is a function of x, then the method of finding the successive derivatives, what they are, dy by dx, dy by dx to third, fourth, like that. That method of finding the successive derivatives is known as successive differentiation. For you, man, this year for the PUC 2, second year, you have only two, my friends. These are the only two. First derivative and second derivatives. If y is a function of x, this is first derivative. If you differentiate y with respect to x, it is first derivative. If you differentiate again first derivative, it is second derivative. What is the symbol? dy can be written as d2y, or d square y by dx square, or d2y by dx2. Yes, my friends, this here you have only these two, not this, not this. I hope it is clear. Hope it is clear. Yes, my friends. Yeah. This is about the successive differentiation. Yes, ma'am. Fraction of a minute. Observe it, and next we will see. Next we will see. This one example I explained how to find the successive derivatives. Successive derivatives. Yes, my friends. Yes, my friends. Remember, these are the highlights. If you differentiate first derivative with respect to x, this is second derivative. Symbol, direct symbol, my friends. Remember. Yes, my friends. Yes, my friends. I left this with little decoration. Yes, my friend. In the symbol, no. In the symbol, dny by dxn. Yes, my friend. In the symbol, dny by dxn, n denotes the order of the derivative. The order of the derivative. Yes, my friends. And another one, and in the symbol, another one. Yes, my friend. This dy by dx. Another symbol, dy by dx to the power n. This is dny by dxn. In this n denotes order of the derivative. The basic we need, man. Order of the derivative. But what about this? It is what? Dy by dx to the power n. Power n is always what, my friend? From the basic, it is nothing but degree. If it is x to the power n, my friend, what we used to tell in case of polynomials, it is a power of x is n, means degree of x is n. So, as it is a degree in this case, my friends, dy by dx to the power n, this n denotes degree of the derivative. This n denotes order of the derivative. This is order here in the symbol this. N denotes degree. Degree of the derivative. Degree of the derivative. Degree of the derivative. Yes, my friend. And then, when here the order, here the degree, from this it is clear, very much clear, very much clear. dny by dxn is totally different than what? dy by dx to the power n. Yes, my friend. Here it is order, here it is degree, then they are not the same. They are not the same. Here itself, this is dy by dx, my friend, of order 1. If you square it, you can go for what? d2i by dx. What is this? 6x plus 6. Second derivative is what? What is RHS? It is a polynomial of degree 1. Polynomial of degree 1. If you square this, what is this? It is dy by dx, the whole square. Whole square means what? My friends, it is square. Square means what? 3x square to the power 2 means it is 9x to the power 4 and so on. 9x to the power 4 means, what is this? It is a polynomial of degree 4. What is this? It is a polynomial of degree 1. Degree 1 is what? Linear polynomial. Degree 4 is what? Biquadratic polynomial. They are not same, not equal, not same. Hence, these two, my friends, totally different aspects, concepts. This is order, this is degree. I hope it is clear, my friends. So from this, I made it clear about what is successive differentiation, everything I made it clear. Remember, order, degree. Remember, if you differentiate dy by dx, next, how to denote second, Yes, my friends. This is the method of finding the successive derivatives. Yes, friend. Yes, friend. Next is, yes, another. I told this here you have only first order and second order. If y equal to fx is a function of x, another mode. If y equal to fx is a function of x, then what about these? These dy by dx and d2i by dx are what? First and second derivatives. First and second derivatives are first and second derivatives. Second derivative. It is known, man. They are the first and second derivatives of y with respect to x. Y with respect to x. These two can also be alternatively denoted. These two can also be alternatively denoted as can alternatively denoted as, yes, my friend, this dy by dx. Another symbol is what? y1. What is it? Y. See, this is y first derivative. This is y first derivative. Another symbol. This is y second derivative. These two in this case Here, man. 2. Second derivative. Another or 1 dash 1. First derivative. dy by dx y1 y dash. d2y by dx2 y2 or y double dash. If you take in terms of f, my friend, this will be f dash x or f double dash x. F double dash x. These are very popular, my friends. d2y by dx, dy by dx, d2y by dx2, y1 and y2. These are very popular we give. These are also useful. Y dash, y double dash, f dash, f double dash. 1 dash always, my friends, first derivative. 2 dash always it is second derivative. Second derivative. That 2 is there. Second 2 is there. First here 1 dash 1 is there. Sometimes in some books not for the PUC level like this man. dy it is nothing but dy by dx. Next d square means what? Second derivative. d square means d2i by dx2, where this capital D denotes, my friends, d by dx. This is known as differential operator, my friends. That is known as differential operator. Yes, my friend. So this d by dx, if I write capital D, it becomes dy. If you denote d2i by dx2 as what? d2i by dx2 by d square, then this can be written as what? d square. All these are, my friends, alternative symbols to write dy by dx, d2y by dx2. Normally, we use, especially in successive differentiation, either this, otherwise y1, y2 equally what, my friends, popular. Yes, from this I will repeat once again. Remember, y differentiation either dy by dx, otherwise y1. Derivative of y, dy by dx, or derivative of y, y1 or y dash. All these are the same symbols. If we differentiate first derivative of first derivative, second derivative of y1, you have to write y2. Derivative of y dash, you have to write y double dash. Derivative of f dash, you have to write f double dash. Derivative of dy, you have to write d square y. This is how, my friends, you must remember these successive derivatives for this year. PUC 2, you have only 1, 2. PUC 2, second derivative. Yes, my friends. Then we shall do some examples. The beginning examples, my friends, I do simple examples. May even local test, your college test, my friends. Local test, they may give these under what? 2 mark questions. First, I do some 3 or 4 examples of what? 2 mark for local test. Then 5 mark questions. Yes, friends. I hope it is clear. Yes, friend. Yes. Find first derivative dy by dx and second derivative d2y by dx2 of the following. D2y by dx2 of the following. First example, y equal to cos square x, y equal to cos square x, cos square x. Yes, my friend. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Symbol. Derivative of y. You may write y here, otherwise directly you may write y1 equal to. It is d by dx of RHS cos square x. I write, my friends, for your sake, this cos square x is, it is d by dx of, yes, cos x the whole square. I explained many times, fx to the power n into fx to the power 1 less. What is 2 minus 1 is 1. Then the derivative inside, it is d by dx of cos x. Yes, friend. What is it? 2 cos x. What is the derivative of cos x? Minus sin x. Then it becomes what? It is minus 2 sin x cos x. Use formula. What is that? Minus sin 2x. My friends, this is nothing but dy by dx. Hope understood. Cos square. This is for your sake convenient. Convenient. For the convenient, this is written power 1 power less. Derivative of f. Derivative of cos. Derivative of cos is minus sin. Minus 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x. My friends, formula. This is dy by dx. Once again, you want to differentiate y to get the second derivative. Differentiate again with respect to x. Again with respect to x. Derivative of first derivative. Derivative of first derivative, what is the symbol? Second derivative, how to write it? d2i by dx. This side equal to minus. What is derivative of sin cos? Angle as it is. Tell my friends, is it x? No. Then write its derivative. What is the derivative of 2x? 2. 5. Derivative of kx is k. 2x is 2. So, this is minus 2 cos 2x. This is second derivative. My friends, this is first derivative. First derivative. Yes. This man. You do this diy. Do it itself. Y equal to sin square x. Instead of minus, we get what? Plus. Yes, I'm doing it. This is 1, my friend. This is 1. Next one. Find both first and second derivatives. Y equal to 2 to the power minus x. 2 to the power minus x. Differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of y, dy by dx. Tell friend, formula, derivative of e to the power fx. E to the power fx, I explained many times what is its derivative. It is as it is, fx. Yes, into derivative of fx. Into derivative of fx. Yes, my friend. Derivative, it is derivative of 2 to the power minus x with respect to x. With what? With respect to x. Yes, friend. 10. A to the power fx as it is, 2 to the power minus x as it is. Look at the power. Is it x? No. You have to write its derivative. What is the derivative of minus x? Derivative of minus x is minus 1. So it is 2 to the power minus x into minus 1, which is minus 2 to the power x. My friends, I have written all the steps. This you can write, this step you can write here itself. Direct, my friends. So if you wanted directive, you are very smart in applying the formula. Very quick, intelligent, smart, experts. Write directly this. dy by dx is 2 to the power minus x as it is. It is other than x. Write its derivative. Simplify. In 2 steps you can able to complete. But my friends are there. They need what? These supportive steps. Yes, on the based on this man. Do this diy e to the power x. E to the power x. It is diy, my friends. Do it yourself. Do it yourself. Yes. Next one. Next one. Next one. Y equal to log x to the base e. Next. Y equal to log x to the base e. Differentiate with respect to x. All these not needed. Directly write. It is dy by dx equal to derivative of log 1 by x. Derivative of log is 1 by x. 1 by x. Yes, friend. Yes, friend. Right. Right. Differentiate again with to get this. Differentiate again with respect to x. Yes. Derivative of first derivative. I told the symbol direct you can write d2y by dx equal to it is d by dx of 1 by x. Which formula? 1 upon x to the power n. This, my friend, derivative of 1 upon x to the power n. Tell what is the formula? Minus the power upon x to the power 1 more, n plus 1. 1 here, my friend. What is it? Minus 1 upon x to the power 1 more, 1 by x. This is the derivative of what? Log x, 1 by x. Derivative of 1 by x, 1 by x is minus 1 by x squared. Applying this formula, this formula. Yes, friends. Yes, friends. Next, one more sample for this. One more sample. Yes, friend. This is y equal to log x. Find dy by dx and d2y by dx. Otherwise, go for different symbols. Find y1 and y2. Y1 and y2 of y equal to log x. Y1 is first derivative, y2 is second derivative. Yes, friend. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of y. What is derivative of y? Y1 symbol. Y1 equal to. This is d by dx of. I write supportive step. Log x supportive. If you need, this itself is called as, my friends, supportive steps. Somebody doesn't want it. If you doesn't want, directly write it. Yes, my friend. Which formula here? Like this. Derivative of log of x. Log of x. What is derivative of log? 1 by f. 1 by f. Is it x? It is other than x. Write its derivative. Write its derivative. Yes, friend. Equal to f. 1 by f. It is d by dx of log x. If you want, write it. Otherwise, directly you can write. This is 1 upon log x into derivative of log x is 1 by x. Therefore, first derivative, y1 equal to 1 upon x log x. X log x. I wanted y2. Yes, ma'am. To get y2, differentiate again with respect to x. This is y2. Derivative of y1 is y2. What about this tell? You wanted d by dx of 1 upon x log x. Which formula, my friends? This is 1 by, what is the denominator? Is a function of x. It is derivative of, it is 1 by p. You know the formula. 1 by p. What is the formula? It is minus the derivative of denominator. Down is p square. Minus the derivative of denominator upon square of the denominator. Apply. This equal to this equal to, this is d by dx of x log x, x log x, denominator phi square x log x whole square, x log x whole square, write its derivative, x into product formula 1 by x plus log x into derivative of x is 1, down is x log x whole square, x log x whole square. If you simplify this, tell friend, it is 1 plus log x upon x log x whole square. This is 1 plus log x upon x log x whole square. What is this? First and second derivatives. First and second derivatives of what? Log x. May I ask under a good question? May I ask under 2 mark question, my friends? 2 mark question. I do one more example under 2 mark. One more example under 2 mark. Y equal to, yes, y equal to tan inverse x. Y equal to tan inverse x. Tan inverse x. Inverse function. Inverse function. Tell my friend. Y equal to tan inverse x. Differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of tan inverse. Derivative of tan inverse is 1 by 1 plus x square. Differentiate again with respect to x. Derivative of first derivative, second derivative. Symbol to right, symbol to right. It is 1 upon 1 plus x square. What is this? My friend, I have written there. It is 1 by v. What is the derivative of 1 by v? Minus the derivative of denominator. Minus the derivative of denominator. Minus the derivative of denominator. Denominator. Down is square of the denominator. Square of the denominator. What is this? It is minus derivative of 1, 0. X square, 2x. Denominator square, 1 plus x square the whole square. If you simplify it, it is minus 2x upon 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square, whole square, whole square. Yes, my friends. I have taken these 4 or 5 varieties of examples under 2 mark question. How to find first and second derivatives of the following. First and second derivatives of the following. Some sample examples. But normally, board exam, the friend examiner will give examples on successive differentiation according to the model question paper of what? PUC board. They will be under 5 mark question, part D, 5 mark question. Yes, my friends. Next, our concentration is with 5 mark questions. With 5 mark questions. Yes, friends. Yes, friends. 5 mark questions. Yes. Yes, friend. These are 5 mark questions. If y equal to a sin x plus b cos x, a sin x plus b cos x, b cos x, then prove d2i by dx2, d2i by dx2 plus y equal to 0. Very simple example. Sometimes If the luck is good, they give what? Such simple examples in the 5 mark questions. Yes, my friends. Alright, given this, given y equal to a into sin x plus b cos x. Yes, friend, differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of y is dy by dx. This is a supportive step, my friend. If you wanted, it is a supportive step. If you like, write it. No, sir, it is very simple. How I can write? Leave it and write the next step. D by dx of cos x. Yes, friend. This is a into derivative of sin x cos x plus b into derivative of cos minus sin x. Minus sin x. Yes. My friends, this is dy by dx. Dy by dx. You wanted the next derivative, differentiate again with respect to x. It is also not needed writing repeated. This gives some push to write the next step. Differentiate. Differentiate this first derivative. Push is what? Second derivative. Just my friend, derivative of first, direct this second, push equal to a into. If you want, write this step anyway. This is your push. You are writing derivative of cos. Derivative of cos is minus sin x plus b into minus derivative of sin x is cos x. Derivative of sin x is cos x. What is your observation? Sir, minus is common. Take that minus outside. Write a sin x plus b cos x. B cos x. Tell what is this inside the bracket? A sin x plus b cos x is y. So this is minus y. Bring this side. So this is d2y by dx2 plus y equal to 0. d2y by dx2 plus y equal to 0. Yes, my friend. This is given. Differentiate derivative of y with respect to x. Symbol. A into, I told direct you can write, but I told support derivative of sine plus b into derivative of cos. Write the derivatives. Write the derivative of cos c minus. Differentiate again with respect to x. Yes. Derivative of first derivative, symbol, second derivative, a into derivative of cos minus sin x plus b into derivative of minus sin x minus cos x. Minus out, left inside. This inside is nothing but y. This becomes minus y. Taking to LHS, RHS becomes 0. Yes, my friends. Sometimes examiner may construct themselves. One example. This you do DIY. So same thing. If it is y equal to 5 cos x minus 3 sin x, then prove, yes, d2i by dx2 plus y equal to 0. Then prove d2i by dx2 plus y equal to 0. Same example it is, just a practice example. If you practice, you are perfect. Yes, for that it's good. Next example. If y equal to y equal to 500 into e to the power 7x plus 600 into e to the power minus 7x. Then prove d2i by dx2 plus 49y equal to 0. Then prove d2y by dx2 plus 49, not plus my friend, it is minus. Minus 49y equal to 0. Yes, right. This is given. Sometimes they give big letters purposely to create what? Example is difficult. No. 500 is 500, 5000 is 5000. If it is 5, 5. Otherwise, a general constant may give A and B. Yes, my friend. Differentiate with respect to x. With respect to x. Tell. dy by dx. First derivative equal to 500 as it is. If you want support step, derivative of e to the power 7x, the name itself is for the support, plus 600 into support step, d by dx of e to the power minus 7x, right there, derivatives. Their derivatives. Yes, right. This is 500. I use bracket. E to the power f, e to the power f. A is there instead of a, e. E to the power f, e to the power f. What about the power? Power is other than x, then you have to write its derivative. What is derivative of 7x is 7, 5. Kx is k, 7x is 7. I am repeating this repeatedly. I have done this. Derivative of kx is k, kx is k, 7x is 7, 7x is 7. Yes, friend. This 600 as it is minus 7x, derivative of power minus 7, minus 7. Yes, you are right. This is equal to, what is this? It is 500 into 7. Right. Differentiate again with respect to x. Differentiate again with respect to x. Derivative of this d2y by dx. Why? Derivative of first derivative, second derivative. 500. My friend, this 7. You are writing its derivative. Plus 600. 600. What is this? Minus 7. You are writing its derivative with respect to x. Friend, right. 500. This is 7 bracket e to the power 7x into 7. E to the power 7x into 7. My friends, if you wanted directly, we can write this step. After this, direct this step. Plus 600 into minus 7. What is it? E to the power minus 7x into derivative of power is minus 7. Yes, ma'am. What is this? Second derivative. What next? Simplify this step. See, 7 into 7 is 49. Again, minus 7 into minus 7 is 49. It is also 49. What is this, my friend? It is also 49. 49 with a plus is what? Common. This 49 is common. You have inside 500 e to the power 7x plus 600 taking common e to the power minus 7x. See, my friend, what is this? 49. Is it y? Yes. 500 into e to the power 7 plus 600 into e to the power minus 7 is nothing but y. It is nothing but y. Therefore, second derivative equal to 49y. Tell what is this 49? My friends, here itself 7 into 7, which is 7 square, 49. Such examples, my friends, they become model in case of what? CET, any competitive exams, objective type questions, by making this math. Square, what is it? 7 square, if it is other than 7, square of that number will be the answer. Take this side. Therefore, d2y by dx2 minus 49y equal to 0 RHS. Same, you do it. Same example, my friend. But slight change about those constant. If y equal to a into e to the power mx, standard example, plus b into e to the power minus mx, then prove it is y2 minus m square y equal to 0. y2 is second derivative. Yes, my friend, see here. Plus mx minus mx. Plus 7x minus 7x. What about a and b? I have done an example with what? A, b are some numbers. But in this case, general constants a and b. So minus m square y equal to 0. This is two manner of DIY. Same method. Yes, friends. Next one. If y equal to yes, friend. If y equal to a into e to the power mx plus b into e to the power nx, then prove. See, what is the difference here? M, n. Here, they are different, but they are same with change in opposite signs, plus, minus. But these are totally different. See, M, n. Then prove. d2i by dx2 minus m plus n into dy by dx plus mn into y equal to 0. mn y equal to 0. Another good example appeared many times in the question paper. Because of what? mn. Yes, my friend. Right. Given y equal to a into e to the power mx plus b into e to the power nx. Yes, my friend. Differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of y, it is dy by dx. A into support, my friends. Support. If you want, write, otherwise no. Write direct next step plus b support e to the power nx. Right. A into it is e to the power mx into m. Phi kx is k, mx is m plus b into e to the power nx. Derivative of nx is n. What is this, my friends? First derivative. Next is second derivative. Differentiate again with respect to x. Derivative of first derivative is second derivative. Symbol d2i by dx equal to a. What is another constant? M. Then the derivative of e to the power mx. My friends, if you write this step, it avoids confusion, and it becomes simple. B. What is another constant? M. Write the derivative of what? E to the power nx phi. It contains x term. Write the derivatives. My friend, a m bracket e to the power fx. F dash kx is k, mx is m plus b n derivative nx, right? kx is k, nx is n. Yes. From this, you have a m square or m square into this. Okay. E to the power nx plus n into n is n square into b into e to the power nx. What is this, my friend? This is second derivative. This is second derivative. Now, what is first derivative? This is first derivative. Yes, friend, this is first derivative. This is second derivative. Then you take LHS and substitute those values. This is a different example. In the previous example, if you differentiate it twice, directly you get what we wanted here, the answer. But in this case, it is different. You have to find dy by dx, you have to find second derivative. These two values you must put where? LHS of the given, LHS of what we wanted to put. Write LHS, write LHS. Yes, my friends. Put the value of what? dy by dx and d2i by dx in LHS. LHS, it is d2i by dx minus m plus n into dy by dx plus mn into I. This is LHS. Right, friend. Right, friend. Yes. What is d2i by dx2? This. This is d2i by dx2. Right. This is m square a into e to the power mx plus n square into b into e to the power nx. I write this down. Minus m plus n into dy by dx. I write here. What is dy by dx, my friend? It is a into m e to the power mx, n into b into e to the power mx. Right. This is m into a into e to the power mx plus n into b into e to the power nx plus mn. I write down. Mn into y. Tell. Y is the given expression. Y is the given expression. Substitute. It is a into plus b into. What is this, my friends? Taken LHS, written. In LHS, we know the values. Second derivative, first derivative. Second derivative, first derivative. Values are substituted. Then what is left? Simplified. Right, friend. First, this is m square a into e to the power mx plus n square b into e to the power nx. I write down. See, minus m into m square a into e to the power mx. Minus n into n. Otherwise, go in. Minus m into n. Second. Minus m into n. Minus mn. Into b. E to the power nx. Next, friend, with n. Minus n into m. Minus mn. A into this. A into e to the power mx. Next. Minus n into plus n. Minus n square. B into e to the power nx. This, my friend. N square b into this. One more is there down here. Plus mn A e to the power mx plus v plus mn b into e to the power nx mn b into e to the power nx. Yes, my friends. These brackets are solved, written everything. Then you have to see. I have written this. Minus m square a e to the power m minus v plus n square into b minus n square into b. I go with this type of marking. Yes, cancel. What next? Minus mn b plus mn b. This. Minus mn b plus mn b. What about this man? Minus mn a plus mn a. Yes, this is cancelled. Cancelled. Observe, all the steps are cancelled. Then what is this, my friend? 0. What about your 0? When we started with LHS, you must end with RHS. Yes, my friend. That 0 is nothing but RHS. Yes, very good example. Very good example. Examiners, some of they like it because of what MN general. So it is a very good example to the point of exam, my friends. Yes, I give half minute just to copy it. Then another half minute I will explain once again. Yes, friends. If y equal to a into e to the power mx plus b into e to the power nx, then prove dy by dx to minus m plus n into dy by dx plus mn into y equal to 0. Friend, this is given. Find its first derivative. Differentiate dy by dx, a into derivative plus b into derivative. Derivative of e to the power mx into m, 5. E to the power f, if the power is other than x, write its derivative. Same thing. To get second derivative, differentiate this again with respect to x. Second derivative, a m derivative of this, b n derivative of this. Write the derivative. Clear. Yes. No chance of making the mistakes. Yes, my friend. It is m square a into this plus n into n square b into this. Then you substitute the values of what? dy by dx and dy by dx2 in LHS of the wanted. This is LHS of the wanted. Substitute the value m plus n. Substitute the value. I write it down plus mn. Write the value of y, my friend. Y. Written one by one. These two as it is. Minus m with m minus m square a into e to the power minus m into n into b into e to the power minus with plus minus n into m minus mn into a into this minus n square into b into e to the power mx. Then mn a e to the power mx plus with plus mn b into e to the power mx. Yes, my friend. M square with plus minus. N square with plus minus. Mn b minus plus. Mn a minus plus. All the terms cancels, you get 0. That 0 is nothing but RHS you wanted So LHS equal to RHS. My friends, a good example, good example. Similar, if you have or you wanted to practice one similar example, yes, my friend, this you practice it. DIY, do it yourself, yes. Y equal to 3 into e to the power 2x plus 2 into e to the power 3x. Then prove d2i by dx minus 5 dy by dx plus 6y equal to 0. If particular instead of mn, particular cases. Yes, my friend. What is this? M plus n. See here. M plus n. What is this? 6. 2 into 3. Mn. Yes, man. On the parallel. You do it. Yes, my friends. These are one set. Another set of examples I do next. Okay, my friends. With this, it is enough with this video. Thank you very much. Good day.